So, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So, on today's video, we are going to learn about Scorpio Sun sign. So, without without so without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Scorpio Sun sign is the sign of transformation in intense and profound. They are intelligent, affable, and courteous. They are self-reliant, but in underneath, they are full of emotional energy. The Scorpio Sun sign personality may be magnetic and even somewhat hypnotic. They emulate the phoenix and seem to perish only to be reborn and attain new heights. Scorpio Sun signs are imaginative and have strong powers of reason. They are adept at using their intuitions and have a good handle on analytical skills. They can be obsessive, which can give them the potential for genius. They may give the impression of being aloof or withdrawn when in truth they don't miss a single detail on what is happening around them. Nothing is forgotten. It is merely filled away to be used. It is most advantageous. This talent can be very helpful in business, being able to keep their assets, assets hidden until they are needed. Scorpio trust they do well in jobs that requires analyzing, such as investigation research, espionage, whatever the fuck that means, the military, science, mysteries, medicine, law or psychology. And if a job offers prestige or money, so much the better. They can also be a cold and calculating and may be ruthless in pursuit of power. They may be overly demanding, unforgiving, and unreasonable as employees. They, they tend to keep themselves and do their work. They are low maintenance and industrious. If they do something kind for co-workers or someone in need, chances are they will do so anom- anonymously. Negative side of the personality can be intimidating, revengeful, and manipulative. They model the extremes of behavior and can be very jealous. They can be rebellious, and those who get into political extremism, can make the most ruthless. I cannot say the word, but this is they can be brooding, aggressive, and arrogant. Some indulge in sadistic futility. On the other hand, those born under this sign may be a fan, procrastinating, and be a self-indulgent. This can happen in part because they can get overwhelmed that they just shut down their directness, can be overly critical or hurtful. They they can be loners. They don't need a lot of social interaction to make them happy. They on the positive side they are disciplined, have great willpower and very sensitive. They have a depth character that can be inspiring. When they give you a compliment, it is an honest assessment. They make a friend, but don't ever betray them. They find it difficult to forgive. Scorpio sun signs are loving and loyal to their partners. They are passionate and real in their relationship that returns that passion that also can love themselves through pleasure pleasure and also forget about the rest. If they get too deeply hurt, they may just turn themselves off emotionally and become celibate. Many Scorpio sun signs relationships are stormy but extremely exciting into interestingly numerous. Star-crossed lovers have Scorpio component, especially if there is a tragic aspect. Moderation is also difficult for the Scorpio sun sign, but very necessary. They need to maintain a healthy diet with a little exercise. If they overdo the exercise sports, they may end up hurting themselves. If you love this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Uh, wear a mask. Sorry. Stay safe. Wear a mask. I'll see you in another video. Chalo. So many days I've been learning something. Let me show it to you.